Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Martin Day Trades and I'm bringing you another weekly market outlook, September 25th, 2022. And this week, last week we closed below the lows. So I'm gonna keep with my bearish trend in mind, back of mind. But we're in a specific area where price could technically have a retracement. So I'm gonna try to trade with the trend this week, and but when that reversal comes for a bullish move, I want to make sure that I'm prepared to cut my loss fast if I'm going bearish, but then to catch that counter trade, counter trend trade for a while to become the main trend trade. But let's go ahead and check out the charts. Okay, so here we go. We're on a monthly chart here. I drew out these areas. The last down candle before the move up is a bearish order, a bullish order block, but this is a monthly. So what I'm going to do is look for the month and type in 1 month bullish order block, and the M is capitalized, so it's not a minute, it's a month. And then I have this one too. It's a breaker block. If we go down to the weekly, we can see that if it's the daily. No, it's definitely the weekly. This is a weekly breaker block. I wonder if I have a template for that breaker block. BB. Nope. All low B's order block. So price could find some support here, and I want to draw out a I do want to draw out a Fibonacci retracement tool from this low. I do want to draw it from this low to this high. I'll move it around a little bit. Where are we right now? We're at about the 50% range of that. We close below it. There's the 62% range. There's this candle before the move up. 70% to 79%. There's in that breaker block area. I do want to move this down though to right here, and from this low to this high does align with the 79% break fib level, along with this 1 month bullish order block. So I'm gonna leave that fib there, but I also have this fib all the way out here from this low to this high as well. Don't leave that there. We're almost at the 38% retracement level, a higher time frame. Lines up with this one. So yeah, even if we take it down to these lower fib levels, that's still 1800 pip move, very long way down. So now we got to see where our targets can be, and we're on a weekly chart here, guys. I could this monthly bullish order block doesn't make sense anymore because there's a lot of action down here. Well, there's this one, which we end up having a last down candle made for the up move, is right there. So it's gonna be hard to tell where to really get in on this trade, because the 79% doesn't line up within this weekly order block, but it does the monthly order block. So I feel like there's going to be a lot of volume coming in here. And I'm pretty sure if we do a volume indicator, which one do we have? We have this fixed range volume profile. Okay, we're going to use that from this low. Well, no, we'll go from this low to this high, to all the way to this area up here. Yeah, you can see that it lines up on a higher time frame right below that 79%. A lot of volume in right here. So we can look for buys in this area, high confluence area. I think there's going to be a tight wedge in between here before the breakout. But yeah, there's this area right in this ends up, oh no, right there. That's where we're going to be looking to enter for buys. But that's not for a long time. We're right here at 11,265, and this is a 3,100 pip move. So it could be another month, 2 months of a just sideways and downward and slight upward action in the market before it has its ascent, a reversal. I want to go down to the daily chart for you guys, and I'll just leave this up so we can keep that in the back of mind where that volume should be coming in. So let's go ahead and start marking up our charts. Really quick, I want to just show you guys that there was this move from this low to this high. We had a retracement, and it started going through this 79% fib level. So I think this one is gonna be no good anymore. Honestly, it needs, now with that move, I feel like it needs to come back. So I'm gonna get rid of these as well. There's this move that's going down, 79% fib level. Okay. So the day, we can see that there was this downward move, and then we had our upward move which failed, and that's just a line through it, guys. It's really nothing. So we need a pullback of some sort right here, and these lows are right here at the 11,000 level, and prices right now 11,256. We could see these lows get taken before the move up, which, you know, I would just probably do from like right here. We have this whole move. Actually, I'm gonna delete that and then pull this one, get rid of that, and move this to like right there, and see where that pullback could be to. Like if price catch some support right here, here's this 38%, there's all these levels which we could use. We could pull it from this high to this low to see where this pullback can be. If it starts to break through these levels, we just start bringing this fib level back to see where that retracement could go. But right now we're looking at these levels to see where it could fall to. And don't forget, guys, our levels down here, it's at the 50% right now actually, but we want to see something happen here. We do that, move this right here, make it square a little bit more. So what I want to do now is go to the 4-hour, and you know, we see what we see. Same thing, hour chart. Let's go to 15. What I want to do is move my Asian session high, Asian session low, delete some of these circles. There's this little one down here. Whatever that one up here. Nope. Okay, so let's go to the week again, and I want to move my weekly highs, weekly lows. down here. Okay, so the weekly low is now down here. So that's the weekly low, and then we'll go back to the week, see where the weekly high is at. Okay, last week's high was at this point 11,056. Go down to 15 minute, 11,056. Is that it? Yes, this is the high. So what I could bring this weekly high, pull it back a little bit, and then drag it down to this moment right there. Big. Out of the last week, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the high, so it makes sense. So we have our weekly high, weekly low. It's actually not that wide of a range. We have a 910 pip range. Yeah, it's kind of wide. We can catch those pips in between, but there's still this move that happened right here where I feel like price needs to come fill still. So I'm actually gonna last up candle before the down move. So there's this big up candle on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if we can go that 30-minute, kind of refine that or get it smaller. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Oh, there's this one. Last up candle before the down move, which lines up with, let me get my little box out. We'll see if this lines up with any fib levels. Which we can draw from right here. Right here maybe? No, I don't see anything there. Or this one. But this 30-minute, was it 30-minute? 15-minute. I'm gonna slide this out a little longer. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Get the last one. Yeah, this is. We'll go like this. Like this. We'll call this a 30-minute bearish order block, and this one's a 15-minute, which is essentially closer to price. And we'll do our fib level, and we see that the 79% and 70 to 79% big figure level 800 is right here. So this is going to be a good area to short right there.
Jamendo.com.
Okay, perfect. We see that. We see this. Previous day high. Let's go ahead and switch that. So this is the previous day. So I'm going to move this one to wherever the high was, which I'm going to move this because this is now, we're going to get it ready to move it for this week. Previous day low. That right here, right at the last week's low. AM open, Asian session low right here. 12 AM open. bullish, we can see that there's this move right here. I'm overall bearish, and I'm not gonna take any buys until trend trades does something different. This already had a retracement to the 79%, so I kind of want to see a move a little higher to London, and then test if there's any like order blocks that it may find some support off of, and there is this hour order block. There's this 30-minute one too. Let's see if this refines with anything, lines up with anything. Not really. So the only thing I would probably take is something around 50% range. Right there. Okay. So So Monday I may not take a trade if price is still around this level. For buys, I'm not taking a trade for a buy, especially on a Monday when the overall trend has been bearish. So I'll look for, it needs to have some sort of pullback for me to enter. I'm not going to enter for the day until it has a decent sized pullback. And where could that pullback be to, right? Now that's a good question. I already have this fib level drawn up here, and let's see. Yeah, I need to have a better price before I enter. Unless bullish momentum comes in, then we'll adapt. But from what I'm seeing on a 4-hour and daily order block, these lows just got taken out. Guess what? It's gonna have more bearish momentum. Daily chart shows a rejection already, actually, so might have already gotten these lows taken out. Might be bullish momentum. Boom, boom. Go back to that daily. I want to just see that. I can see something like this. I might be bullish this week, because this is 577 pips. It needs to recover. But who knows? The market right now is just selling off. It may continue to go lower, like I said, to this 38% fib level. And we know that there should be some more support along this line of 7,800. So that's a really big drop. But I feel like there's a lot of orders that could be accumulated right here for the longer term move. So for as of right now, we kind of have our idea of where we want to go short and go long, but we'll see. That was this, yeah, so we had this move right here, and it recovered, took this fair value gaps price. We have this move. It hasn't really gone into that, nor this one. This one kind of had a little retracement, but it has this move right here, which it never tapped into, and that's making me nervous that I don't want to miss out on a bullish buy to come up to this level right here, because if it comes up to this level, we'll just come up here to down here. That's 1,000, essentially 450 pips, 1,500 pips, and it's on the table, so we know it's there. Go ahead and make sure that we're aligned with these confluences so that we could trade with the trend or make sure we're cutting our losses fast. Remember guys, 1% loss max, because that's what's going to keep us in the game long term. 2% is too much. It is what it is. 2% is too much. Take your one trade and kick rocks, right? Stick with the analysis, stick with the trading rules, and long term you will be more net profitable. Cut those losses fast, and one losing day could take out 100 wins, 1,000 wins. You know, don't over leverage, don't over trade. Just be happy you get. If you're watching this, you're probably interested in day trading. Understand you get one opportunity a day. Feel blessed with that, because a lot of people don't get this opportunity. All right, so like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to watch the other videos with the TradingView tips and tutorials, so you guys can see how I use some of these tools within TradingView to set them up to my templates, how I adjust them for color, number, how I'm numbering things, how the shade of the order block, just how I set everything up so that I can visibly see what I need to see to make it easy to place a trade idea, create a trade idea. Like, comment, subscribe guys, and have a good one until next week, Sunday.